Hey, it's your girl Dollar Neek, and I just want to give my bargain besties a quick update on these dishwasher packs I found at Dollar General for just $1 for 35 packs. Okay, so let's take a peek of what's inside. Now, don't these look familiar? They look just like the Cascade Platinum pods. So you know I had to go back for more because Cascade Platinum isn't cheap. But if I can get the dupes for a fraction of the price and get the same results, sign me up. Okay, so that's it for today's quick update. Thanks for watching, my favorite bargain besties. And don't forget to like, comment, and follow for more updates on my dollar store finds. And you already know, I will see you in the next aisle.